Oh no, too many choices. This is confusing. Why are there so many products?
Relax, Alex. Don't panic. It's just a supermarket. Take a deep breath and focus.
Okay. But still, everything looks the same. How do people choose?
Good question. You don't need everything. Just think about what you really need. Let's practice. Say, I need some milk. Repeat after me.
I need some milk. Oh, that sounds easy. I think I can do this.
Now add another item. Say, I need some bread.
I need some bread. This is actually fun, not scary at all. Wait, what is this? There are too many colors. Chocolate, honey, fitness. I don't know what to pick.
That's cereal. And yes, supermarkets always have many options. Just choose one and move on.
Okay, let me think. Maybe this one. It looks nice. Yeah, I'll take this one.
Perfect. That's the right attitude. Simple decisions, no stress.
Excuse me, cash or card? Oh, wait. What should I say again? Cashier. Cash or card? Oh, card, please. Yes, card.
Good job, Alex. You're improving. Now you know how to shop in English. Just stay calm and use simple sentences.
Yeah, I was overthinking everything. It's actually easy.
Practice makes perfect.
Got it. I'll practice more next time.